Konnichiwa, Ai desu. Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my 2 girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Today we're gonna make Nikudango no Amazuan kake. Nikudango. Niku means meat. Dango is a ball, so meatball with a Amazuan. Amazuan is a sweet sour sauce. So amai is sweet. Su is vinegar. So sweet vinegar meaning sweet sour sauce. Very simple and very delicious menu. I've been making this more than maybe 500 times in my life. So many times because I love it. And only one secret is mix meat very well until it gets really sticky. Recipe is very simple. Let's see how to make Nikudango no Amazuan kake. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. So important to me. For Nikudango or meatball part, we need half pound of ground pork, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sake, salt and pepper, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And for the Amazu or sweet sour sauce, we need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons each of ketchup, water, vinegar, and sugar, 3 tablespoons each of. And ginger, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and some chopped green onion and cornstarch. Let's make meatball part. Place the half pound of ground pork and add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of sake, salt and pepper, and mix very well. Using your clean hand, mix very well, and then add 1 egg and again mix very well. Add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And again, mix very well until it gets very sticky and whitish. And we're gonna deep fry. So in a heavy bottom pan, add cooking oil and then heat up. So this is how you make an even sized meatball. Grab some mixture with one hand and squeeze out with your thumb and index finger and scoop out with a spoon and gently drop in oil. Again, squeeze out and scoop with a spoon and drop in oil. This is how you make an even sized meatball. And deep fry until all sides are golden brown and then heat goes through. Make sure pick up one and then open. Cut into half and then see heat went through. And meatballs are ready. Now we're gonna prepare Amazu sauce, sweet sour sauce. So place the all ingredients, 3 tablespoons of water, vinegar, ketchup, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, green onion, chopped green onion, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. So everything except for cornstarch. And start heating up with over medium heat. And cornstarch, add some water and mix. So 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water and add and cook until it gets nice and thick and bubbly. So Amazu sauce is ready, and then we're gonna add the meatball. And mix very well until the sauce covers all over of meatballs. And at the end, add a little bit of sesame oil. And Nikudango no Amazuan kake is ready to serve. Add some sesame oil, and it gives a good flavor. And this Nikudango, it tastes good even it's cold, so I always use for obento, kids lunch too. This is my childhood favorite and still love it. Tastes yummy.